A member of Parliament arrived in the flood-affected areas under his Lok Sabha's Kant Assembly constituency, especially in places where government officials could not reach to inquire about the rural people's current situation. MP Dr. St. Hasan reached these areas and spoke with people of all religions, listened to their problems, and discussed solutions. The waters of the Ramganga River looked like sea waves on the roads and forced the farmers to shed tears like water. People stopped him and told their tales of how their farming had suffered massively. Many individuals and even livestock were affected as they lost both their livelihood and fodder. The MP discussed the matter with relevant officials and assured quick resolution. The locals welcomed him warmly. During his visit, MP Dr. St. Hasan was seen walking on foot, inspecting the Ramganga River and moving through the water. Accompanying him were Dr. Rizwan, Devendra Pawar, former councillor Kamal Nath Lal Pradesh, Sajid Warsi, and others. Thank you. The current happenings in our country are not very good ones. Those who live in India are becoming victims of politically created hatred amongst brotherhood. Hindus and Muslims have lived together in this country for 1,000 years now. Being united during crisis and serving each other in need is like a common scene here, but the politics of division is tearing this unity apart. They offer no development, no jobs. The condition of the farmers hasn't improved, nor has the health scenario. The waves of the Ramganga River in the rural areas are visible, and many people are seen here talking to the MP of Moradabad, Dr. about their problems.
They gave this to us. From our village to the city, see? Those from your area, they have come here. What would you like to say about them, huh? Soldier, begin the process. It was told to me that the condition of India here is very poor.
It's better than what I saw with my own eyes. And the route I came through was maybe closed 2 days ago. I had to come through there today. There is the joy of the car, but if that road isn't built according to my calculations, that matter will end. A road of some kilometers is made there. Let's separate them from each other, and it is only creating hatred. I have written many times for this road. If there was a Samajwadi government led by Akhilesh Yadav, would there have been a need? It would have been built by now. A bridge would have been made. Recognize yourself. And your oath? I'm here if everything goes well. The work of the SP, the police work, the work of lifting the Tehsil work, brother, tell me. Yes, I am trying my best to do it. It is happening for the people. My companions, we have to stay together. We have to take our village, our city, our state, our country forward. It is not descending anywhere. You have to grow here. Please tell me the password. I will also work, and I am working. I received a call even at 1 o'clock in the night. Sometimes I have to tell the police station. Sometimes I have to tell the captains. Sometimes one has to tell the Zero. They were present in the Moradabad Assembly constituency. Moradabad's MP, Dr. Hasan, is here to ask the people's condition. The water level of the river is increasing. The water level is continuously decreasing. The water of the Mangal River has reached the rural area, after which Dr. Hasan met the people here and talked to them about their problem. What would you like to say? Look, I am standing between the dairy work, Hasanagari and Umaria Chakari. People here have told that water has been continuously running for about 20 days. The crops have been destroyed. The fields are ruined. There is a problem in bringing fodder for the animals. The fodder has run out, and this disaster happens almost every year. I saw it with my own eyes, and I saw that the fields of songs have all been spoiled. I will talk to the administration and the irrigation department and also make a permanent solution to the problem. And if it does not become a permanent solution, I will talk to the minister of the center myself. No one hears the voice of these farmers. Their voice will be taken to Delhi. If their voice is not heard here, Muradabad Member of Parliament Dr. Hasan said he will take their voice to Delhi, and the solution to the problem here will soon be there. Talks are also being held with the officers of the concerned departments. There is a constant effort on their part to solve the problems of the people here.